Alright, finally we got what we wanted. It is a full thunderstorm here. We're just trying to hold the canopy down. Jack! It's crazy. It's nuts. It's a torrential downpour.
Hey, it's kidding.
And things are hit.
Mayday.
Mayday, mayday. Hold it, bitch. Hold up a top. There goes your tent. Jack! Jack, get up! Oh, it's bad. It's bad.
From campmates to shitmates.
Oh, my camera's getting wet, but I gotta keep filming. This is great. Jack! Jack! Get up! Girl, blow that shit out. That bad part.
God damn it.
Watch my camera.
It's getting all wet.
I can't even move my... It's getting all wet. Why is everything wet? Oh, because it's raining horizontal. Hello? We needed to wrap this other edge up.
This is some ham slap.
This is a
whole bunch of ham. This is ham.
We're in the eye of the storm right now.
We're in the eye of the storm, yeah.
Things kind of have settled for a little bit. It could have been like this like the whole damn day. That's what I'm thinking. Why don't I move away from the entrance? Is this all wet? Why is this all wet?
Because...
Wait, bulk that up. Push that up. There you go, look. There you go, we gotta pump it up. Alright, I gotta go check everything. Peace.